We just want to update you now. We've had the latest data from the Department of Health on the latest number of coronavirus cases. We had told you earlier that that new number was 169, with 5 new cases confirmed in Scotland. We now understand from the Department of Health that that number for the UK in total has gone up to 206. Well, our correspondent Enda Brady is still with us here in the studio. That's a big jump.
It is. So this information has literally just been published by the Department of Health. And if we take a look at it, so yesterday, UK-wide, the figure last night stood at 164. As of 7 a.m. this morning, they're telling us that the number now stands at 206. So that's an increase of 42. We know that 5 of those cases, new cases, are in Scotland. And just looking at it, we're now up to 206. So just going through the data, the majority of the cases, again, are in the Greater London area and the southeast. And we're now looking at 206 cases UK-wide, positive tests. Now, they have tested 21,460 people across the UK. 21,254 have confirmed negative. So 206 people are positive with the virus in the UK. And of course, 2 people have died from COVID-19 in the past 48 hours. A man and a woman. The lady was in her 70s. The man was in his 80s. She was in the Royal Berkshire Hospital in Reading. He was at a hospital in Milton Keynes. They both had underlying health conditions. So it is a significant rise, up 42 cases in 24 hours.
And we are expecting to hear from the government, aren't we, on Monday about possible new measures concerning, in particular, the elderly?
Yes, so right now we're still in the containment phase of the outbreak. There are 4 phases, 3 key ones, and alongside all of those, research is ongoing. So we have containment, delay, mitigation and research. So the research is constantly ongoing into this virus. We're still in the containment phase, and the government are confident that it is being contained as well as possible. The delay phase would be moving to measures like restricting movement of the elderly, people going to sporting gatherings and what have you. There will be meetings on Monday. Obviously, the Prime Minister, the Chief Medical Officer, the Chief Scientific Advisor, they are talking all the time about this. So Monday's a significant day. The whole issue of delaying the spread of the virus is to basically give hospitals UK-wide the chance to get out of winter, to get away from January, February and March and the winter flu bugs and all the pressure on the systems that they have in those winter months. So to push the peak of the virus, which we have not yet seen, towards the summer so that they can basically just manage their resources as well as they possibly can. But that's a significant jump, 42 new cases in the space of 24 hours.